Good morning, students. Welcome back to social study class. So today our second lesson is scope of population education. If you focus to the screen, it's population education, and that word is very familiar to our previous lesson. So according to the UNESCO, population education means an educational program which provides for the study of population situation in the family, community, nation, and the world with the purpose of developing in the students rational and responsible attitudes and behavior towards that situation. Population education is dimensional subject whose scope and subject matter is very wide. Multi-dimensional nana ngajiki multi nana mangbu che dimensional nana chaje mangbu yugyo ngajiki population education di khande do lana ting sapu yure la ro changdu kapsla areas di cover chitang di do nyu me wa pe mangbu la cover chi re la di. So it affects all aspects of life such as birth, death, migration, health status, housing status, economic status, and other issues. Ting di sabu yutu kapsla kha langa jiki study do chi lana do birth, death, migration lana subject ne suggest shewa lapo ba health status, housing status, economic status ta ani issue shimba nzula tai re lare. What's to say? Okay, so next is population education helps to change the attitudes and behaviors of the individual. When you have a knowledge of the population education, when you already have a knowledge, it automatically helps you in the way of your thinking, the way of your behaviors, and the attitudes. Go to say. So, kirang la population education ki knowledge di yudu kapsla kirang gi samlo tangdang inare kirang gi choba kheldang tang dinjo sangma la kirang gi changes dinjo kirang gi thonggi re lare. Number third, population education helps to develop happy and more prosperous society. It's very simple. Population education ki khang ropa chilana, it helps you to be more happier and it helps to bring more prosperity in this society. Means financially nganjula flourish chakire lai do financially lana ngui ki thoni pesha ki thori na rang society nang lo la changmala yerke kongba li re sa flourish chakire lan mang ri chakire lan ta kirala population education stang birth spacing tang family planning stang din jo gi changma ga ji knowledge dilli to kapsla kira ina rang do ngaji gi examples ngaji ngoma da thanda ngaji gi phama ga ji examples to shana do da thanda me wa che kirang gi ta let's say kirang pa parents la thanda pu new na kirang gi grandparents la example shana dire ro ta ngoma indu ngaji gi proper family planning me wa ta ani population education sinjo me to kapsla ani pugu dinjo ina ya mangbo ke do tang dinjo chaktu kapsla ngaji gi mentally ta yin ra pu khaji nanglo khaji la family khaji nanglo pu nanglo khaji la ngaji gi discussions ti chi mari ke mang chis ngaji gi proper society nanglo khande yela na mental health ti ju ngaji gi concern ngaji chi mari ra tonang do ti mare ani mentally ngaji gi ta thanda chi ga lungba do khirang gi compare do china do chi lungba la ta khala re naza do ta mentally ta stress chakyo do tang anxieties you go do tang ta naza mangbo ye khuji gi mentally gi thok ni do khuji naza din jo changma khuji gi chung ni khuzala facility ya po ye to chalong chi do grown up chal to kapsla facility ya po ye to kapsla khuji gi tin jo keja din jo changma discuss chi re khuji gi psychiatrist din jo tang din jo lai khuji gi share chi re keja din jo do ta lupta la do ina counselor na din jo yim ki shi re ta nganzu khaji keja do ina do da anda nganzu counselor da yo re ta ina ngaju ki grown up chak tu kaps la ngaju ki chalong chi tu kaps la ngaju society din din al the re ro family nang lo la pu tis chik mangbu nangmi nang lo ta thanda jo in example in nyu nyu re ro ngoma indu kaps la pu tis mangbu yu tu family tis chi khala gore background di tis chi kyo chen ni lopchong tis chi metu kaps lopchong bet khora metu kaps la ani proper khala gore education stang ani education metu kaps la population education ra how kui mara ra ani dinju metu kaps la ani khoji ki pu nalo la mentality sta pu nalo la ngoni gi ran disturbs jo yur ra ina ya nganjo ki di li mari discussions di ta kena this chi khemba chatu goni ani kera gi di feeling the lead and then you will realize that oh madam oh miss ki lagyo di ngoni re duta la shwa kera gi di shugla kera gi realize chi re lo nganjo ki society chik nalo thedu kaps la pu nanglo la khala gore family nanglo ina ya ani putis mangbo tu kapsla necessities tinjo ina re gadgets tinjo ina re ya ma proper distribution chidan ta this situation that this problem mangbo yure ina the realization di kiran this chik khana ga ne se this male samay kiran di realize di how gi mare tingi dungaran to so next it helps to develop a happy and more prosperous society. So kira nga jungmun discussion chisa rade population education yuna kira thanda do itsi kemna kira la knowledge tang changma yutu kapsla kira gi proper family planning since pre plan chira changma din jo chisa tu kapsla kira ina ya kira gi ta family ina ya mije de yang ki ba cha tang ani shite tang yong tang society na lo ina ya financially susiki pesha din jo saving chitup ki res wa ani next helps to achieve a higher quality of life la ta jipa chikya rakira gi quality of life the quality yonga la kira gi basic necessities sama fulfill chitu ki re pugu tunjola lopta la properly ngaju ki admit chitu ki re sra this isung ki kira gi khang ka kira gi wishes yo din jo sama fulfill chitu ki re ta better life hetu kapsla quality life hetu kapsla kira gi khang sam gyo din jo sama dup ki res Tadung chik add china doa. It also helps them to achieve a higher quality of life. In this sense, population has a wider scope since it deals with many issues and subject matters. So the scope of the population subject varies from place to place, country to country, depending upon the context and requirement of those places. Scope of the education lana areas of this subject study che subject di lumba shisung tang such a che lumba shisung kila ani variety chakila na different yungi re ta ngaju ki thanda ga po di khan la gore subject scope of population education Nepal ka ji context tang chilumba ka ji context ta na it's very different ngaju ki economically inare financially inare ngaju bet khurang backward re ra ani chilonyam du compare china bet khurang ngaju lak de gyo re this isung ki scope of the area of the population education ina ya this differences here re what to say okay. So our main topics scope of the population educations now the demography, determinants of the population change, consequences of the rapid population growth, consequences of the depopulation, human sexuality and reproductive system, planning for the future. So demography means people tends to get confused with the demography with the population education, but they are not same because demography studies about the size, the populations or size, the compositions, spatial distributions and change in populations over a time period, while population education is an educational program which provides for the study of the population situation in that family, in that community, nation and the worldwide with the purpose of developing in the students rational and responsible. So first one is a demography. Demography lana is a mathematical study of the size, composition, spatial distributions and change in the population over a time period is called a demography. People tend to get confused with demography with the population education. We have already discussed few times that population education means a program. It is an educational program. Educational program lana lupjong changa kaji program sigre ngaju lupta nanglo la changire dwa di ngaju la khang provide chi lana population kaji situation family nanglo la ni tang khande du tang community nanglo la ni tang da khala shija nanglo kaji nami ni tang den zo khande du tang ani lungba kaji ni tang tang ani jambling kaji ni tang den zo changma ko la ngaju gi lapki res radi gi do main ani di kaji main purpose di khang la na ngaju ki tanda di population education ki main purpose di developing the student rational and logic. The logic answer te dang lai dong anju ki reason yu kyo khumje yu kyo shitang and responsible attitudes towards and behavior of that situation chi khiran ne dang chikla inde khena do ta khiran and khiran gi condition ni behave che lash do khiran gi di behave chidang da khiran gi choba khedang da khiran gi di ne dang de la chikle na khiran gi handle condition che la di ko la lap ki res ra population ngaju ki population education lana ra. Now demography is totally different ra. Demography nana ngaju ki population situation nanglo la ta demography is different. Demography lana ngaju ki khang study chi lana size kaji ko la changki res ra. Size means the total number of people is called a population size. Go to say total number of people dila ngaju ki population size. We study the size of the population. Second one is the composition. Composition means the description of population according to the characteristics such as the age and sex, which we have already discussed in our previous lesson. Population compositions lana ngajiki characters njo age tang look like sex kishin like male or female like ko la ngajiki lo changi lai do go to say size lana population kurang ki size di mimbol khaji size di khajo dog ra total number of people. Compositions lana characteristics such as age, the sex khande tone khojo tang. Spatial distributions lana spatial lana ngajuki space lana di distribution di such a location khande shisung la ngajuki midin so distribute chidoglan. What is that? The arrangement of the population according to the geographical tang administration basis la ngaju thande administration tang geographical ngoma administrations lana ngaju diwa kare administrative division lana tang ngaju ki thanda la shisung tana ngaju la 7 provinces here ani 77 district ra di shisung la khande shini khodu la chwa uchu se ngaju dinju changmai khaji ko la changit lo dinda di thanda ga dinju do age size che, composition che, spatial distribution che, any change in the population over the time is called demography. So population the distribution chik dikhane chil lana do spatial distribution ngaju gi hilly, terai and mountain region land lai ngaju ngoma chunjung inde khira jinda shuwa tang dinjo la chang yugire. Population is distributed according to the mountain, hill and terai as well as the development regions like zones tang district nango nila nangshingi 77 districts tang ani 7 provinces tang dinjo gi shisung la khore ngomai nang gi 14 zones lai wa mechi kushi sakarmata janakpur lan odinjo shisung ki khanje shin khodug lan dinjo gi changma study chire la ko chu sa. So population change la di positive yang yungi res ro ani negative yang yungi res ro. Population changes the khande dosh lana ngaju gi khande gi thoni population the changes chaki lana birth, death and migration are the main causes of the population change, which is very familiar I think. Go to seta demography lana. Under the demography, we study the size, distribution, composition, density, population change study under the demography. I will repeat again. demography lana study of the mathematical study of the size lana total number of the people, compositions lana characteristics such as the descriptions of the population according to the characteristics such as the age and sex, spatial distribution lana spatial means size or the locations or distribution lana ki khandesh ki thong ni distribute chi duk lai dwa. The arrangement of the population according to the geographical and administrative distribution is called spatial distributions, and change in population like the main birth, death and migration are the main causes of the population change. Okay, so the major factors affecting the population change are birth, death and moves in and out. Moves in and out means migration, which we have already discussed. So the major factors affecting the population change. Population la gyurwa condition thepki na lan. Mimbo di condition ya ma chaki na fluctuate lai do ya ma fluctuate dynamic flexible lai da dila na chingin mimbo di ya ma fluctuate di condition la na chik di ta na nga factor di birth chana mimbo di pugu ke na ani mimbo di ma phalkire death chana mimbo di nyunga chakire ani migrate lana the movement of people from one place to another with the intention of settling permanently or temporarily at a new locations. Manjuki khala kala mimbo mi din jo doa such a chick ni such a shembala po walai doa such a chick di internally pani yung sigire chilo layang yung sigire roa and the deal at this chick loa yore manjuki immigrate tang IMMIGRATE tang emigrate 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 like tang anji thanda di migrate lana such chick such shemba la po adwa ki permanent yung sigire ro yang na permanent che du che yang na chuk singala bosu se. So the next thing under the scope of the population education, our next topic is the determinants of the population change. Determinants of the population change lana determinants means the factors of the population change under where population di khawala change chaki dugla cho factors lana cheshi khawala population di changes tinjo chaki dugla. As discussed earlier, birth, death, and migrations are called demographic factors of population change and play a very significant role in changing the population size. Mazunguni discuss shive shisunki dwa miki wachini shiwatang ani saja chikni saja shembala migrate chidwa dinzo la khan lagi la na demographic factors like race ra of population change ka main factors dinzo race ra ani dinzo ki khang important role play chi la na population ki size di ya ma chadila important role play chi race ra. So basically the factors like high infant mortality rate, illiteracy, economic conditions of the family, socio-cultural norms and values, religious beliefs, superstitions and traditional values play a major role in the population change. Tanga ki population mimbor ki ya ma phare tanga nyung rutwe dinzo factors dinzo ki important role play chi res ra go so say high infant mortality rate, illiteracy, economic conditions of the family, socio-cultural norms and values, religious belief and superstitions and traditional values. High infant mortality rate lai do mortality lana infant lana pura panganchi ki pu like da babies tinso infant mortality rate lana mortality lana nganchi ki death like DEATH lai do mi shia ka death high infant mortality rate. High infant mortality rate na pu shie do maja pu chungju ne zo shie ka je rate din zo changma high yure la re go se. dinzo pugu dinzo ya ma shie tang dinzo chances mangbo yetu ani population lang lo lang anji gi gurwa thegi re lar ko chu se. Second, illiteracy. Third, the economic conditions of the family. Socio-economic norms and cultures, religious belief, superstition and traditional values. In addition, malnutrition, poverty, and lack of social services also have a direct influence over the population change. The lawa nashingi pu malnutrition na ngajiki nutrition stang dinjum hazang du kaps stang ani pu poverty dinju nang poverty lana pet khorang kyu leidwa ani dinju tang ani lack of health services dinju metu kaps la population changes la ya girwa thepi re ta poverty ta malnutrition na mit kyo dinju yetu sa tunga tang dinju metu kaps la ta ngaju thanda gi lockdown khaji example dichidu the COVID-19 di pandemic di start shinita ngaju gi Nepal khaji case tawla cha na mi khaju thonga ra ta dijik bo me ngaju gi lungba kyo example din de tana do mi mangbu thonga re. First the poverty re, second the khalak proper khal poverty to kapsla of course ngaju gi khalak thi khuju ki mangchas daily wage earner hindu kapsla nima la ngaju ki towa jagi ne jo hindu kapsla ni khujula khala din jo tujula ta thanda lega din jo medu kapsla ni fulfill cha kal khapo yedo ni mimangbo thongge mangbo res wa ani this is the lack of health service have direct influence over the population change lana ngaju ta Nepal khaji example round te ora ngaju ki ta the COVID-19 di leni do ta tanda ngaju ki recently mi khe te don do sarwa ta chik ta na ngaju ki health service pani ngaju khala gore facilities di Nepal la chigya khaji shizung la ta na ngaju ki facilities pe kyu yore ro and this ni ngaju lamsa khala gore ignorance pani che ani nyam dula na ngaju ki facilities ti metu ani midin jo tis nalo mela lamsang thonga don do ta thanda nga COVID-19 ngaji chipo la me ta na za chung du jo yena yang do cham diarrhea na jo nan lamsang mi thongge khagar chola ina yang diarrhea nan thongge mangbo ne Nepal nang lo ina man thongge mangbo yere ro ta din jo to in chik ta na ignorance chik ta na health facilities ti tis kyo ta tu kapsla ani mi thongge di mangbo yere ro. The world's top 10 most populous countries in the world. So, the country doshana kanji ki top 10 populous mimbor mangsho yugo lungba. Tangbo di chi kamna China 1.44 billion. Second is India 1.38 billion. Third is United States 331 million. Indonesia is 274. Pakistan is 221 million, Brazil is 213 million, Nigeria is 206 million, Bangladesh have 165 million people, Russia has 146 million, while Mexico have 129 million. So the most population the mangsho yukyo saja dikhante lana China chakire thangbu second the India, third the United States, Indonesia, Pakistan, Brazil, Nigeria, Bangladesh, Russia and Mexico lana industry. Okay, so the third scope of the population education is the consequences of the rapid population growth. Rapid population growth means very quick population growth. Consequences means result. What is the result? Result the Congress when there is a quick population growth. Population growth means pe mango phattu kapsla khawa lanno kepkire samgi do sekhirangi. Simple kajing lana do. Population growth increases the demand of essential goods and services. For example, the demand of housing, employment, food, drinking water, etc. are increased when the population grows. population growth lana ngajiki mimbor pharwa mimbor di phartu increases the demand of essential goods and services lana mimbor di mang phartu an ngajiki demand lai do ngajiki ta ngala di khoidu lai do ti kirang ki parents la demand chi me ngala nge ba dikhini shoda in lai wa ta thanda ta lai na me ha ko masra thanda in la ta lai yikira pala da amachilo yama dudu kapsla this nge ba dikhin sho lai yikira so population growth di daw de kya kirang gilaw na shingi mimbo di ma phatu kapsla ngajiki mila human kiji wants ta human kiji requirements di mang nu juires wa goods and services so this shisungi ani khalak la demand mang juire housing la demand mang bu shakire employment la demand mang bu shakire raw drinking water la demand mang bu shakire raw dinjo changma demand mang bu shakire when the population actually grows. In very simple words, go to a bit simple wrong. So a rapidly increasing population reduces the income, saving and investment. As a result, many families become worse and people suffer from various problems like unemployment, starvation, insecurity, family conflict, malnutrition and other various socio-economic and environmental problems. So rapid population, when there is a rapidly increase in the population, it automatically reduces the income, saving and investment. So dig ngai khandish example te kolana do population mimbo di mang du du sinda nganju gi income le do nganju gi nima la income tolop ra do dinjo pesha ra ko dinjo nyu la duire lasra ani pesha nyu le di nyu le na saving da of course chaki mare and investment da yungi rang mare ne ragi mare. So example chiklana do investment ka ji ko la jik shina mimbo di mang ru pha re sarwa ani nganju gi income the saving the nyu chala na nganju gi investment ka example chikla olo. So investment lana nganjiki saja business tang dinju la nganjiki dosong tang wa lai re che nganjiki go chu se. So ngala in case ngala pisha yuna ngagi investment china che re su ki share do share khazu percentage new in the year and this shizung ki ngala monthly kujiki ngala tolop nang shingi income nang shingi ti re go chu se. So faster population growth makes the choice more scarce between the higher consumption now or the investment needed to bring higher consumption in the future. So investment or investors dinjo hanjiki pesha invest chike dinjo do adang bank tang example kirangi bank dinjo thong sigire bank dinjo ina owner chik chipu yungi mare bank na lo investor pe mbo yungi ruwa investor lana nga share nyugi lai do share new 100% ni kirang 2% new 10% new kirangi ya monthly shisung ki kirangi pesha to te go rango ni rang do monthly or yearly or something basis la pesha te go re. So kusi ki investors tinjo ki khang thingi lana do they are in dilemma lana situation to choose between two ge khande damgura samesh to adi thanda ngala pesha yugyo di do thanda sa gora ki do nga la pisha thanda savings nju yugyo di pisha ti thanda sago yuna ki yanga nangmu nga future chidla nga investment chigora same tinde chakire lai go chu seta kirang population hop ta mela population inde mangboli re sege population inde mangbu chungdu kapsla kirang doubt khang chagila na o nga di pop nga la pisha tangman handa yugyo ti ye yure kirang la pisha yure ra ta kirang mi bimbo pe mambo chatu gala kirang la automatically kirang la job ninja changma new ru chakire ro chances mi changma la khogap te ko du kapsla job ni file che tap to ta cases mambo chakire. So dinje chatu kapsla kirang la investors ninja gi khande feel chakila na o ta nga choice nga la choice ni yes ro thanda di choice di nga thanda consumption chidula na nga thanda sai chidla pijitang ko na ki pisha di yang ina next nga future ki chidla business chitla tangona la in confused chakires wa. So the economic development nganju ki pinju ta lumba yarke ta chidla ina ya investment la rang nganju ki differ chakires wa depend chakires this need wa rapid population growth retards the investment needed for the higher future consumptions. So rapid population yutu kapsla quickly automatically khang chakila na nganji ki investment din so ya new ru tangire stop chigire la ko chu se. mimbor mangru phaltu kapsla ni nganju ki town areas jo do ta nganju ki city areas jo le ina ya ni looting type jo ta ani kan ro theft ta murder sang ta din ju pe mangbu chaki res ro ta nganju thanda ga chi recently Minneapolis khaji di thanda khiji ki George Floyd khaji exact na di kan la gora TV na lo la kirang ki ta yu ki ro recently nganju di black people la Minneapolis na lo la sheriff di mangmi chiki mi nakpu chikla kela kama kele tis nyunga ta kama ke simchu samani kela nimtu kapsla ni korang di on the spot rang ani korang de rong la dora ani shire ani di kapsla ni di nima sangi kola ni khang chakla na ni kola kala ora ni mimang changma ta mi nangri changma kala ora ta lang re ra ta nganju di thanda thujo di la nganju gi chigi la ni changma nyam du la lang ta di langai din chi je di thanda ngai lang shu la na shin ki nganju gi urban areas jo na lo la ta populations mangpu yu tu ta khuju ge changma lang tu yang changma nyam du li du ta nganju gi di tu chatu ta governors jo la ina ya precious mangbu chaki mare ta governors ki control chigora states nga jogi ari ka shisung gi states ina states ngapchu re state ngapchu na lo ina governor di law yo ra da ta Minneapolis la na ari ka ji state chig re Minneapolis na lo ka ji government digi ta state digi control chidu kapsla ta khapo chakira ta mit sang manyam de lang du kapsla ta di nga ji ta di rapid population cha ta in case rapid population ta mare ina ya pha ga population mangbo ga ji shisung di khanje do chakila na sorry kare such a loga haji din jola states loga haji changma minyam du zom ni legyon de dwa tangoni shina mi nakpo din zong ngoma ni chagyon de ta mare ina such a shimba ni migrate chigyo tang immigrants din zo ra such a din zo changma kirang kya manju ki discussions chiwa ina line da the IMMI immigrants jo de ta khujigya such a chilo ni legyon de ra such a shimbani the Africans tang ta such a khasa ni ta de Spain do ta Mexico ta such a khasa ni legyo mi mangpo yu tu kapsla ta din population la changes mangbo cha khoi khoi kyumje chik din rang res ro ani mimbor mangbo yu tu kapsla ta ngaji control che ta da khakpo di res ro and di kapsla ni looting tang ani kuma tang chakpa tha da tang zu mangbu yong gi res ra mimbor mangbu chak tu kapsla ta di a small example ta slight example chipute ina ya so as a result the family in changma become worse people suffer from the various problems like unemployment tang ani starvation tang lega migyo tang ani starvation lana ta khalak sa mara ni mugu she tang insecurity feel lana o secure migyo to ata ngoma ina ngaju nangmi tang ne junyam te yo te tu kapsla secure feel cha do mi nyu indu let's say khran shi cha na lo la thanda mi ngap kya do shuna do mi ngap kya na mi ngap kya la ta hops kapla mi nga tong do le secure feel cha se re cha ki mare of course se na yan cha ki mare ro example chipa chigya thanda Minneapolis ka chira example didlana chiga ka chide example lana ngoma ina khusu thanda level dotang di chipa chigya namgyu ni day to day life dotang chipa chigya ota thanda singja mi sangma langdu kapsla singja langdu chongang sangma tor kuma kya mila tar o inte chidu kapsla ni khuzu secure pha ga residence hina dua pha ga degi mi jola security feel che yo mare khuzu shenang dan chikla thete ores wa next the family conflict ngajula population mangpo chaktu kapsla ani nangmi nanglo la ya ma conflict cha tang thupa dan yungi res ani of course nangmi kyu poverty chaktu kapsla malnutrition ta cha yin bara sa tunga metu and this is sheba other various problems like socio-economic problems tang environmental problems tang din zo yang li res wa ta mimbon mang duna ta korikla da no kya yin bara ra any natural resources are gradually depleted nyam res and sustainable development is not possible. So this is the graphic trends in China and India in billions. The light blue shows China, whereas the dark blue shows India. In 2015, China has a population of 1.39 billion, while the India has a 1.31 billion. and it is estimated that in 2030, after 10 years, it is estimated that the populations of India will be higher than the population of the China. Because of the one-child policy China have already created. The government of China have already declared about the one-child policy. In the 2045, it is believed, or it is estimated, that the populations of India will be rise from the 1.51 to, in 15 years, the populations of India will rise from 1.51 to 1.63, while the populations of China reduces to 1.39. In the next 40 years, the population of China again reduces to the 1.28, while India exceed 1.63 by 4 points, not 4 points, 0.04 points, 0.04. So this is an example of the African malnourished baby. You can clearly see the picture here. The baby is sleeping in mother's lap, and the baby is completely malnourished. It is due to the poverty. The next one is the Nigerians' lives below the poverty line. This particular neighborhood is collecting the plastic bottles, cartoon papers, and they are collecting the useful things. Sorry, I'm not laughing, but I just had some problem. So these residents, or this vicinity peoples, are collecting the plastic, the useful things which they can resold, such as the plastic bottles, cartoon papers, maybe some metals, etc. So this is the scenario of the girl eating samosa in dumpster area. The extreme poverty in Nepal. When the population increases, it automatically affects the environments, and it affects our water it brings water pollutions, air pollutions. As a result, it brings a drought, earthquake, many other factors such as heavy rainfalls, tornadoes, etc. What are the consequences of the depopulations? Depopulation means reduction in the populations. Depopulation means reduction in the populations. So depopulation is an equally serious problem for the society and the nations. Likewise, the rapid population growth, depopulation is equally serious problem for the society and the nation. So when there is a lack of productive resources, human resources like doctors, engineers, lawyers, teachers, carpenters, plumbers, farmers, and pilots, due to the depopulations, it affects the overall development of our country. So depopulation lana population new ayu kapsla ani nganju ki human resources hina new chakire strong nganju la population mere. So let's say nganju population sangma migrate chakyo tang such a shimbala joy tan ju china do nganji ki Nepal na lo example la na doctors, lawyers, engineers, carpenter, plumber, farmers ju nyu tu ngaji khang chigo thukila na foreign land li ngaji ki khergo thukire swa. Nepal has to bring in foreign workers to do this job laswa ji Nepal workers ji ki such as chilo ni ngaji ki mi din like ke tang ni de chidu ani ngaji la the effective chaki mares dran di shisung ki ngaji la sa khala gore long term solution yang mares ra short term chidla ngaji ki dikire long term kyurung po chedla ngaji ki mi shemba higher chidena ngaji la economic status tang GDP tang gross domestic product din ya ma changma pargi mare chaki resra, so it brings a negative impact in the social nanglo ina re, cultures nanglo ina re, and political aspects in the society nanglo la ina chilo ni mi mangbo nzo thini lena ani case khang bani yong sigira ta dang ji ki ta the example di Minneapolis chiga ari kha je example dinga je lena duwa ta sa je chilo ni mangbo khuji ki kala gore ke tang tu kapsla ni ta means ke tang tu lana yang thala je citizens tang jo African American tang ani Tibetan American tang ta Tibetan American ngaji ke ni la tu ja chi ta la mera ina yang phala ta tanda minari jo ki cases mangbu to ya ma sanga singe to ta ni Mexican American da sa ja ta khan la gore sa ja kha khasa ni mi mangbu yu tu ani singja ina yang society la ina yang da singja ju mangbu yungi re struggle ani culture ngaji ki adaptation the differences yungi re ta ngoma ina ngaji ki susu ki phopa shisung ngaji dela te tu phopa mala da dela ta ngaji de susu shisung ka jila the te na ta ngaji ki sa je shemba ni chia mi mangbu le de de chidu kapsla ni ngaji ki this is the western culture la ngaji ki mimic lana re mimic lana re imitate lana copy laira copy chidu ngaji ki. So politics has basis line differences in the lead areas due to the lack of the human resources to work in these areas these areas in the human resources the new talk to kapsla impact the hall and the gap kilana social share cultural share and political aspect la no areas so I will not discuss in details with the human sexuality and the reproductive system because I believe that we have already studied this topic under your health subject. So human sexuality and the reproductive system falls under the scope of the population educations. Human sexual behaviors and the problems including reproductive systems and functions are also the scope of the population educations. So the scope of the population education lana ngaji ke area study chisang the kha study chi lana human behavior, sexual behaviors jado mi ke ji mentally tang khala ora physically ngaji ke samlo tang din chu changma ngaji din study chi rest wa any problems including the reproductive system functions in the race. Next, the biological differences between a male and a female and their sexual characteristics have a direct impact on the social population change na lo la ina yang do biological differences la na ngaji ki male tang female lai do means genitalia tang genetic differences put up phumu ki differences tin chu ki ina yang population change la and sexual characteristics ki population change la gyura thipki res. So planning for the future, the issues and subject matters like these subjects basically focus on the marriage at an appropriate age, conceptions of an appropriate age, proper birth spacing, planning of the family comes under the scope of the planning for the future, which means that under the planning for the future ngaji ki future khaji ko la sam tang du kapsla planning shi du kapsla ngaji ki khala focus chilana at what age marriage is the khala gore proper marriage age the khantu rina landwa tinju ka ngaji ki study chi reswa and conception at the appropriate age na conception na birth pu ngaji ki child pregnancy le do ngaji ki pu ke du de khatu inas ani pu ke ni ani ngaji chik ke chana ngaji ki khajo birth spacing chikola ngajo mama discussion chira some slowly tang that was something is some proper birth spacing de at the same time it helps to change the attitude and behaviors of the individuals toward the subject and issues and the subject matter of the population education ngon la na shi population education the youtube caps la di khang change chage la na khirang gi samlo tang tang behaviors tang mi gi individuals la tinjo subjects tinjo tang issues tinjo la khirang la girwa tang gi res ra. So early marriage is to be discouraged. The simple dua khirang lo chung la changza kya mere ra. Whoever is watching this videos should keep in mind that early marriage is to be discouraged. Manzo society na lo early marriage they accepted yo mare ra accepted mewa lana accepted mewa da lai me ina yang early marriage the completely discouraged chi res ra manzo ki encourage che chi mare yang na discourage chi res ra kashin lana khirang ki mize di lo chung la changza do chi kyap na khirang la ne je che me tu khirang la knowledge tang proper family planning sa din zo me tu khirang la chipo mewa khirang la tan noi kya me ba da khirang tan noi kya yi ba ra ya plus khirang ki family la rang noi kyap kire khirang ki pu din zo la ya mentality tang din zo la bring upbringings la di pe kalin yang ki rest wa. So dinzo kya extra questions story ta lo thas question te rang ju kaji changa de taring chasu. Why does the United States have a high divorce rates? One possible cause for the increased divorce rate is that lower price and easier ability to obtain a divorce made divorce affordable to people of the limited means. Previously divorces were mainly granted to the middle and the upper classes due to their cost. So nganzo the United States nanglo ari nanglo la divorce the case the kachin manga yunas ndo kana kya example mangbo thongo yikire chikya lungba nzo changza nzo ta khala ore divorce pe mangbo chaki do la ni chik tana ngoma ni khala ore divorce chak where reason chik the main the tana previously middle class tang upper class the ngoma caps la hindu caps la do divorce khaji cost nga ji pisha doshte gora di ngoma hindu caps la pe gong this chik chimbu do shir ra ani sorry gong chimbu la na ina ya thanda khaji tana do ango thanda khaji situation na tana divorce khaji che tin ta nga changza kya me ina divorce do te wo samna do pisha din zo ina thanda pe nyung te go rest wa khirang ki judge tang khirang ki advocates wakil la ro an thanda ngoma nanglo ina ngoma caps la ni divorce zo government ki grant chira government ki accept din zo sula chipu chila na this chi khala ore middle class tang upper class din zo la chipu ti res ra de latest chi ya lower class da din zo la di chi mare this chi higher level standard din zo mid din zo la chipu chi res ra. So thanda khaji increase rate cha ko kimje di pesha di this chi gong khala ore gong ina yang gong chunga cha res ra. What's it say? So what is the right age to get married? Matt says that this is the perfect age to get married. A new study suggests that the people should get married between the age of 28 and 32 if they do not want to get divorced at least in the first 5 years. Before we proceed to the explanation, so this is so ngun di khan la na khirang do lo ni shi chap ke yang la do sum chu so song ni khaji dila gap khaji dila lo the best khan la wore best age to raise for khirang ki sang kam na do ani khirang the main reason ni khan la na khirang lo chang kam ni longa na la divorce changi ma do na ni khirang ki best age to raise khati this the lo ni sab ke the lo sum song ni na lo la khirang ki mentally ta khirang ki financially khirang also strong chatu caps la khirang ki sam tang tang de rang gurwa thip ki res ra chung into caps la this khan la ora sam tang tang di medu sinda sam lo di yapu tang tang machine do ani divorce cha de chi yang di pan cha ki ra chi di khan cha ki la na next the factors khan do cha ki la na pesha ki mu ki factors yung si res ra chi di compatibility khuji ni na lo la in ma tu do do anji ki Suzuki the factors mangbu gi shisung gi yung kire ro ani khashi ki love compatibility ma tu ta khashi ki pesha o ya money ban yung gi ro money factor de ki man ma tu ni ni changza kya ta nin zula khan la gore problem din zo thi res. So the thos ras stay safe and stronger together. Okay, see you in next class.